Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and let me show you how to enable test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound O**. And here you've got the test menu, in which you can check several features. So for example, you can pick red, it's working correctly, green as well, blue, it's also alright. Then you can pick, for example, vibration, they're also working, mega cam, as you can see it's working. Let me pick, for example, the speaker, and it's working as well. So as you can see here, you can check all the features. So if anything is working incorrectly, then you can check if it's about the application or about your device, about your Galaxy Core Plus. So actually that's it. Now you can test your device whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.